Hello, my friend. Welcome to MetaMind Meditation, the channel bringing you peace and wellness through guided meditations, sleep meditations, and practical tips for living a more fulfilling life. This guided meditation is about making yourself into a magnet to draw to you what you want. This could be money, a more fulfilling job, a new place to live, or even a new person into your life. The human body, and especially the human mind and heart, is a wonderful organic machine that uses electricity. You have a personal magnetic field, and this meditation is designed to help you change the flavor of your personal magnetic field to attract things to you that you want. This will require multiple sessions to tap into the feeling you need to make this change. Once you find the feeling the first time, it will be easier to tap into again the next time. Remember that you are loved and valued by the universe. It wants the best for you. Anything or anyone you attract to you will result in a mutually beneficial exchange. It will always be for the highest good, even if we cannot see it in this current moment, even if what we are asking for arrives in an unexpected way, at an unexpected time, or in an unexpected form. Remember that this is an attraction meditation. You are a candle attracting a moth. You are a flower attracting a butterfly. You are tapping into your personal power of magnetism. Before we begin the meditation, know that you will be saying a phrase to yourself. That phrase is, I am a magnet for what I want. You can shorten this to, I am a magnet, if you want. While repeating this to yourself, imagine the thing you want. Conjure images, and more importantly, experience the feeling of already having the thing you want. If it is too difficult to imagine that thing specifically, for example, a person you haven't met yet, then focus on a symbol that relates to that person or the relationship you want to have with that person. If you find yourself experiencing fear or anxiety, hold your breath for a few seconds, acknowledge the feeling, and try again with a smaller version of what you are trying to attract. If $50,000 brings you anxiety, imagine $10,000 instead. Over time, you can adjust your smaller, comfortable desires into a bigger desire. Remember to join these images with positive feelings, especially feelings of love and gratitude. Focus on the quality of what you want and the quality it will bring into your life. Believe in yourself and the certainty of having what you wish. You are a magnet. You are drawing it to you. It will find you. It will come to you. At the end of the meditation, surrender, let go, rest, and have faith. You should feel calm, confident, and certain at the end of this, not strained and anxious. As you practice and repeat this, you will notice some kind of feeling. It could be a tingling sensation, or maybe a feeling of heat or fullness rising up from your stomach. Please share your experiences with us in the comments. One last thing before we begin. As you imagine what you want to attract, as well as feeling love and gratitude, imagine how you can share this happiness with others. This desire to share will help you bring in the thing you want. I'm about to lead you through a guided relaxation. Afterwards, I will remain quiet for 10 minutes. As you go through this practice, I will gently bring you out at the end. Let's begin. First, make sure you are in a seated position or lying down. You want to feel comfortable and know that you will be uninterrupted. We will begin by breathing deeply for 4 seconds. We'll hold the breath for 4 seconds. We will exhale for 4 seconds, and we will hold our empty lungs for 4 seconds. We will cycle through this 3 times. Try to maintain this rhythm throughout the practice. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. I am a magnet for what I want. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. I am a magnet for what I want. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. I am a magnet for what I want. Imagine a calm sparkle of electricity in your heart. Imagine this sparkle sending warm, tingling arcs up and down your spine. Imagine a ball of electricity expanding from your heart outwards around your body. This is your personal magnetic field. It's so warm and so beautiful. I'm a magnet for what I want. Now imagine the thing you desire. Be specific if you can, but it is okay to imagine a symbol until you know exactly what you want. I am a magnet for what I want. Notice how this thing you are imagining makes you feel. Imagine you already have it. Feel love and gratitude. Imagine how you can share this abundance with others. I am a magnet for what I want. Sit with these images and feelings for the next 10 minutes. If you feel your mind beginning to wander, gently bring your attention to the calm sparkle of electricity in your heart. I am a magnet for what I want. Very good. Bring your attention back to the beautiful field of electricity around you. Has it changed? Does it look any different from when we started? Breathing easily, imagine the field gradually becoming smaller. 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 The field is now within your heart. When you are ready, gently begin to open your eyes and slowly move your arms and legs. You may feel like stretching. You did an excellent job. When you feel ready again, revisit this meditation. You will have what you want before you know it. Please share below in the comments how this has impacted your life. Peace and light upon your beautiful soul, forever and always.